Hello, humans of the Jeep world.
Yeah.
Is this the proper way to start the Jeep video?
No, probably not, but it doesn't matter.
Okay, well, let's not get...
Yeah.
Anyways. So, today we're gonna go look over this Jeep hood that we picked up from BajaFiber. Custom made for a... What is it? 1991 through 2001 Jeep
Probably
Cherokee?
going lower
XJ?
from about 84.
Yeah, whichever the square body
Yeah.
styles are, it'll still fit probably just fine. So yeah, this is a 10th anniversary Jeep BajaFiber style hood, and we're kind of gonna go over and just look things up and see how it feels. We haven't cut it open yet, but we already see kind of a couple of things on the packaging that there's an issue that was during shipping. So let's flip the camera around and take a look. Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, this guy, yeah, you know him, Elgar dude. You know, the Death Wobble is life.
Yes.
Yeah, check out his channel.
Well done.
Link in the description below. Okay. Alright, so let's cut this shit open and see what it looks like, because from the first impression, packaging could probably use a little bit more work. BajaFibers, this right here is a problem right here. See? Kind of shaved a corner off. So you guys probably need to work on your packaging. But you know, other than that, it looks pretty good so far. So here, if you want to do the honors and hold
Yes.
the camera, and then
You can get all excited.
yay! It's a freaking Jeep. Parts. Stop.
You picked that up from your kid, yeah? Yay.
No, I think when he was born, he wasn't saying yay. He was saying something like, hey. Which was very interesting, because he could not speak.
I think any of them can speak, bro.
So,
If he came out and said Jeep, you know you'd be broke.
I mean, dude, this thing nearly set me off like, what, almost 400 bucks with shipping? The hood itself was $250, plus the shipping was another $125. So yeah, $375 altogether with shipping. Or it would have been a little bit more if they would have done the other options for shipping, which was like the FedEx or something. It was pretty much almost like 250 bucks for shipping in itself. So I was like, well, I'm not paying double.
Yeah, well, tax season's around the corner. You should be good.
Yeah, so see, that's the one issue that we kind of run into here, is this little corner being messed up. I'm gonna have to build up that corner right here. So it's gonna have to get built out, but it's fine. I mean, I'll just get some fiberglass and I'll build it up and fix it. It is what it is. I love the way it looks regardless. Wouldn't be a Jeep if it came without any problem.
Damn right.
Okay, so
Ooh, that looks sexy.
oh man, this
This
thing
is so nice.
freaking awesome.
I
Maybe
give
I
you
should pull the Jeep
$5.
around and actually
Just fit it on for fun.
Yeah.
I guess you were able to get the option where they're actually
Yeah, with those cut out.
nice.
Yeah, and I was also actually looking into picking up those grill inserts from the new Gladiator.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's about the same size, so they're only like 60 bucks. So if anything, I'll just pick that up, see if it fits. Maybe I'll just trim this out so that it can just go right in there.
Just
it look pretty cool, like
just-
more original. Okay,
Cool.
let's take a look underneath, see how it looks like, if it has any kind of hookups or if we need to do anything to it. Cool part is super light. Like it's just look at it.
so you mean it could take a hit?
Yeah. Yeah, look at that thing. Awesome, eh?
Dude, versus a painting in the house, why not just put up something like this?
Yeah, like a picture. Huh?
Yeah.
Decoration, man. Let's take a look. So pretty simple on the inside. Looks fairly clean as well.
That side is like,
Gonna have to.
it's got
mark
quite a
off-
bit missing, no?
Huh?
Yeah, it does.
What do you
Look
mean?
at that.
Yeah, so see this corner right here.
So,
Maybe I'll just shave the other corner off and keep it that way. Don't
Well-
do it that close.
no, dude, it's good. Trust me. You could figure it out later. I just want to do this right here. You could cut them out later if you want. Like how much is actually missing? It's quite a little grip. Okay, we can just walk over there and no.
Yeah, we can install it on the Jeep. So
Not gonna install it, but we can.
put it on top.
Yeah, just see what it looks like.
So yeah, pretty simple. So it looks like just a fiberglass in innards, nothing too crazy. You know, it feels very solid and sturdy. So I think the BajaFiber guys did really well. I'm feeling like I just want to drop it on top of the hood right now and just kind of see how it sort of lines up with everything else, just to see. Yeah, so let's pull the Jeep out and then drop it on top.
That's what she said.
Oh, smart ass. Okay. All right, let's do this. Oh yeah, see, there's my other project that's like 3 years in the making because those engines are stupid expensive to rebuild.
We said Jeeps were a pain in the rear, right?
Yeah, well, just wait till you start working on those boxer engines.
Well, you could lift that. You can't lift in a 4.0.
Yeah, no.
So
4.0 is bulletproof, man.
we need. By the way, we need to do this. So if anybody has got a motor that's like does not run, we'll pay you $50 for it.
There you go. Yeah, pick it up.
We're
and then
gonna test the bulletproof option.
we gotta test the bulletproof theory.
Yes,
I think that would be a
super fun.
viable thing to do.
Yeah, I mean we're not gonna get into detail, but if somebody's got a motor, let us know.
I think I might even get the 50 cal and see if how well it will stand that.
Yeah, that would make it if it's really bulletproof or not. I mean, that'd be the.
We'll start
ideal.
off with like 9 mil and then just keep
Start
working
with
with
a
some-
22.
just like the guy from Demolition Ranch, how he does. Oh, we're gonna start with 22 and then 9 and then we're just gonna shoot the crap out of it with every single thing that we possibly could find.
Yeah.
I think I might know a few people with some of those things.
Yeah.
Some pew-pews.
Some people. Some people.
All right, let's get the Jeep out and drop this thing on top. Top of the Jeep's hood just to see how it looks, so we can take a look at some of the issues here that we're having with that corner. Looks like there's quite a bit of it that's been lost, so
Like a good chunk.
yes, yeah, that's a good ½ inch or so that's just gone. Lame. So it has to, gonna have to build that up. It's okay. I'll talk to the fiber guys, and what do they call BajaFiber dudes, and see if they can suggest something to have that rebuild, and then what kind of animal that they're using to cover that up so it looks even.
What kind of
Before-
animal?
No, animal. Enamel. I can't pronounce that shit.
Enamel.
Enamel.
I just wonder what animals.
Dude, okay, so
Maybe
this is
a
a side effect of me
giraffe, a
trying to speak 3 different
lion.
languages fluently, okay? So just give me a break with that.
Hey, you give me shit all the time for my spelling, so.
Well, you have a terrible spelling. I got a terrible accent. It works out.
What happened here?
That Jeep things happen?
I didn't see this before.
Yeah, no, it needs a new fender. I think what we're gonna do is to complement this hood, I'm gonna get those wide fender overs as well. And it's gonna look pretty sick, and then we'll put some armor bars in the back. Those armor plates with
So you'll
the
be
side
like-
bars. So a wide front. And gonna have to do something custom with the back though, just to kind of make it look more or less symmetrical.
Yeah, so it's like doing leg day. ordeal.
And then probably either 33s or 35s, and it's gonna look pretty cool afterwards. Still saving up for that one arm kit. But I'm thinking maybe Iron Rock, what do they call it? Iron Rock off-road cross member, and then
3-link?
yeah, set up a 3-link in the front. That would be ideal.
Oh, yeah.
And then keep the rear stock, and I think that should be enough for now to go have fun in the woods and just get in trouble overall. So anyways, back to the hood.
With the bank account.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
You know where that all goes.
So anyways, to conclude the video, overall pretty satisfied with the look of the hood and general layout of it. Looks pretty straight. Just gonna have to fix that corner right there. Once Mr. Axel here,
What?
Mr. Axel Swapper, checking out all the under.
No, because I have that rear axle. I was thinking I need to actually dig it out and see if it's something else than the 35.
Yeah, there you
Because
go.
it looks like a 35, but then again,
Yeah.
it's shoved in there, so I don't even know.
So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of this hood on this video. It's gonna come out kind of weird looking probably, but overall,
to be great.
I think once we get the hood installed, I'll order some more clips for it and all that, just so that get some rib nuts and all that, and I'll get the hood installed, and we'll see how the final product looks. Overall, I think BajaFiber guys did pretty well. They definitely need to work on their packaging, but other than that, I love the way it looks, and it's gonna make the Jeep overall look pretty sick once the wide over fenders come in. With some 35s or 33s, it's just gonna fill right in. It's gonna look pretty sick. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. You know, check out this dude's video. He's got some BMWs and things like that, and Jeep things on his page. Again, death wobble is life. Yeah, just because you death wobble through life all the time in limbo. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, press the like or thumbs up, and we'll see you guys later.